You won't believe the difference in this bathroom remodel. Watch as we transform this outdated space into a beautiful, modern shower, all in just one day. First up, demolition. We carefully cut away the old fiberglass tub and remove the debris, keeping the space clean with a shop vac along the way. See ya, old tub. Next, it's time for new plumbing and a fresh tub installation. Precision is key here. Our installer, Jerry, double-checks every measurement to ensure a perfect fit before applying adhesive and setting the new tub in place. Now let's get the walls ready. That purple moisture board, it's designed to protect against water damage and mold, ensuring this remodel lasts for years to come. Next, we install the high-quality acrylic shower walls. Our virgin acrylic is backed by a lifetime warranty. This homeowner also chose 4 built-in shelving units for extra storage. And here's a pro tip. Our shelves are slightly pitched so they won't accumulate water and mold. Final step, caulking, cleanup, and a last round of quality checks. Jerry vacuums up any remaining dust, and just like that, this shower remodel is complete. If you're looking for a fast, high-quality bathroom remodel with expert installers you can trust, look no further than EZPro Express. Visit our website today to schedule your free consultation.